Whenever we talk about the universe, a lot of questions come into our minds. Like, how was this universe created? How big is it? And what secrets are still hidden inside it? This universe has hidden many dangerous secrets, but the most terrifying thing we know about is the black hole, a dark place from where nothing can return. There are many stories about black holes. Some say they are doorways to another universe, where a completely different kind of life exists, a life beyond time, where there is no death. Some people even believe that black holes are a path to reach God. But these are just beliefs. It's hard to say whether black holes bring death or a new life. To find answers to such questions, humans started studying the universe. And when they did, they were shocked by what they found. In today's video, we are going to talk in detail about the most dangerous thing in the universe, black holes. So stay with us till the end. A black hole is a place where the darkness is so intense that nothing can escape it, not even light. Light can go inside a black hole, but it can never come out because black holes swallow light too. That's why they are called black holes. In simple words, the force of gravity inside a black hole is the strongest in the whole universe. This gravity pulls everything towards it. Once something falls into a black hole, it can never come back. That's why it's called the point of no return, a place where there is no coming back, like a night without a morning. Inside a black hole, even the laws of physics don't work. Newton's laws of gravity fail there. Black holes are one of the most mysterious and scary parts of our universe, and understanding them is very difficult. Now that we know what a black hole is, let's find answers to some important questions, like, how is a black hole formed? What would happen if Earth fell into a black hole? What if our sun itself turned into a black hole? So, without wasting any time, let's start our countdown. Question 10. How is a black hole formed? To understand this, we have to go back 100 years to the 20th century. People back then didn't believe that black holes existed. They thought it was just a story. In 1916, a scientist named Karl Schwarzschild used Einstein's general theory of relativity and said that if we compress anything too much, it would turn into a black hole. You know, when we compress something, it gets smaller. According to Schwarzschild, if we shrink Earth's size small enough, even Earth would become a black hole. At that time, people laughed at this idea. But in 1971, this theory became real when scientists discovered the first black hole. It was found 6,000 light-years away from Earth. If you don't know, a light-year means the distance light travels in 1 year. So, if we send light from Earth to that black hole, it would take 6,000 years to reach there. And remember, light is the fastest thing in the universe. Question 9. How many types of black holes are there? Since 1971, scientists have discovered many black holes and found that there are 4 main types. Miniature black holes, stellar black holes, intermediate black holes, supermassive black holes. Miniature black holes are very tiny, about the size of an atom, but still powerful enough to swallow a big mountain. Scientists believe these were made just after the Big Bang when space scattered matter everywhere. Stellar black holes are bigger, about 10 to 20 times bigger than our Sun. They form when very large stars, at least 25 times bigger than the Sun, explode and die. This explosion is called a supernova, which shines brighter than billions of suns and can be seen across a galaxy for weeks. After a supernova, a stellar black hole is formed. Intermediate black holes are formed when many stellar black holes merge together. Supermassive black holes are the largest. They are millions or billions of times bigger than the Sun. Every galaxy, including our Milky Way, has a supermassive black hole at its center. The one in the Milky Way is called Sagittarius A*, and it's more than 4 million times bigger than the Sun. Question 8. What would happen if you fell into a black hole? The gravity inside a black hole is so strong that it would either stretch you like a noodle or crush you completely. If you were near a black hole and made a video call to your friend on Earth, you would see your friend moving very fast, while your friend would see you moving very slowly. This sounds scary, right? Luckily, black holes are so far away that even light would take thousands of years to reach them. Still, scientists have seen black holes swallowing huge stars and destroying their light. Question 7. If black holes are dark, how can we see them? The answer is, black holes are actually invisible. We can't see them directly. But when matter, like gas and dust, falls into a black hole, it forms a bright spinning ring around it called an accretion disk. This disk glows brightly, and that's how we spot black holes. Question 6. What is inside a black hole? Friends, nobody really knows what's inside a black hole. Scientists believe that at the center of every black hole there is a point called singularity. Singularity is a place where gravity is infinite. It's so powerful that even the laws of physics break down. Time and space both end there. In simple words, singularity is the heart of a black hole where everything is crushed into one tiny point. Question 5. Can a black hole swallow Earth? Friends, black holes can indeed swallow planets like Earth. But don't worry, there's no black hole anywhere near us that could do that. However, if a black hole the size of Earth somehow came close, it would pull Earth towards it, and Earth would be stretched and torn apart before disappearing completely inside it. Question 4. Can our Sun become a black hole? Good news, our Sun can never become a black hole.
Why?
Because the Sun is not massive enough. Only stars that are at least 25 times bigger than the Sun can become black holes when they die. Our Sun is an average-sized star, and when it dies, it will quietly turn into a white dwarf, not a black hole. Question 3. Are black holes dangerous for our solar system? At the moment, no. All known black holes are very far from our solar system. They are not a danger to Earth or any planets nearby. Question 2. Can black holes die? Yes, black holes can die too. A scientist named Stephen Hawking discovered that black holes slowly lose energy and shrink over time. This is called Hawking radiation. After billions and billions of years, a black hole will completely disappear, but don't worry, it won't happen anytime soon. Question 1. What's the biggest black hole discovered so far? The biggest black hole ever found is called 618. It's about 66 billion times heavier than our Sun. Just imagine, a black hole so huge that it could fit many thousands of solar systems like ours inside it. 618 is one of the most massive and mysterious objects in the universe. So this was the mysterious story of black holes. These objects are very dangerous and powerful, but they are also helping scientists understand the secrets of our universe. We hope you liked today's video. If you enjoyed it, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Also, click the bell icon so you never miss any of our amazing videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.
Let's not just learn. Let's think, discover, and grow together. For more amazing facts and stories, watch our other videos too.